M0FXB, let's add our jumbo hotspot to our 991 or 991A. So if you've got one of these, I'm presuming that you've already set it up, you've got your call sign in, you've done the configuration. I will put a link in the description for how to do that. So we're just going to set up the 991A settings so you can use your jumbo hotspot. So the first thing is put the frequency in of your hotspot, same as your configuration page on your PiStar. So just go to VFO mode by pressing the VM button, and then type band, and it's 70 centimeters. We're just going to hit enter, and we're going to type in the frequency 438. Let's do that again. Band, enter 4385750. Enter. That's the frequency. Now we need to get it into the right mode, which is push mode here, C4FM. Next thing is just to make sure that it's a simplex channel. So just go F and then go to where it says repeater and just make sure it says simplex and just tap it until it says simplex. So that's it. You're all set up with the channel now. You're in DM mode. You've got the right frequency. Come out of that. And the next thing you want to do is add it to your memories. So hit the A once and then go down to a blank channel using the multi knob. Just turn it down once until you've got blue highlighted here. Now hit the AM and hold it in until you get 2 beeps. 2 beeps. We've gone back into VFO mode, so let's go back into memory mode. And we're going to be looking for that channel. So we'll just tap the AM. Now hold down the F list this time. And this time look for the blank channel. So C4FM channel there is channel 6. That's the one we want to tag it. So hit tag and just type in what you're going to call it. So I'm going to call it hotspot. SPOT and then enter. And then you can back out of that with the F button. And then now when you go into memories, you'll be able to see. Now we should be able to scroll through our memories with our multi-channel if we do this. Go F. Go forward and back until you see, where is it? Not MCH. See MCH there? Tap that, and now it will let us scroll through our memory channels. If we back out, make sure we are in memory mode with our multi knob. See that? We're doing it now. That's the multi knob here, okay? We've only got a few memories in there at the moment. We are going to be using RT systems to add lots of memories. So that's in there. If you can't change it with the multi knob, just go up and down here on your microphone and you can change it with your microphone. How do I've got my multi knob as a shortcut at the bottom. How do you do that? You literally just go F, go to swap, keep going forward till it says swap. See it says swap there, and we can change one of these. So let's do group mode for now. Actually, we'll do sweep. We never use that. So we'll go tap swap at the top, and then we'll go back and find that MCH. And then we'll tap it. You can see it's already working with my hotspot. You can see my hotspot activity there. So right, we've just done that. So if we back out with the F button and we now change the multi knob, we're changing channels. So let's give a little call out and see if anyone's going to have a chat with us on C4FM. Just turn up this volume.
Rick, how you doing this morning?
Ah, it looks like they're busy. Yeah. Let's try. M0FXB, M0FXB. No, too late. That's fine. So okay, so that's it just for quickly adding our hotspot. We will do another video on the X button and the configuration of that. Can't really do it while these people are chatting. Let me see if I can move the hotspot to a quieter one a minute. Yeah, I tried to move it. Moved it to CQ UK. But they're nice and busy as well. Sounding good though. Now the X button is F. Go forward. There's your X. So I'm going to go and try and find another quiet one. Right, someone's here, so let's have a quick chat with them. G1LZS. Hi Steve, are you receiving me fine? M0FXB.
Yes, M0FXB.
We'll try and hit the X as well.
Fine. Back to you. can hear Steve. Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo.
Hopefully we'll be able to get in on the X, and I'll still be able to show you. Yeah, we're in on the X, so that's good. Yeah, hi Steve. Yeah, name's Andreas. Doing some tests here on a Yaesu 991. I think I'm connected to CQ UK, but not the UK. Is that correct? Back to you. Got quite a high SWR there, so I've got to keep this short, really.
Yes, it's CQ UK. Yes, via GB3HE, which is the Hastings repeater.
So you've got favourites, all, search direct,
anyway.
disconnect.
I'm just running a FTM 400 XDR radio, dual band radio.
Very nice set. The screen very similar to this.
About this morning, where is it? Oh, it's afternoon now, isn't it? Afternoon. Just a test. Anyway, Andrew, Mike, back to you, sir. M0FXB, G1LZS. Oh, QJ2s, we probably know it's Hastings anyway. 1066 country. Mike, back to you.
M0FXB. Well, it's very nice to meet you. I can't really hold it because my SWR is a bit high on this set. I need to change antenna. But your audio's good. How can you give me a report on my audio? I am sort of recording a video for my channel on YouTube, which is M0FXB, on how to connect the jumbo hotspot. So back to you, and then I'll have to stand by from M0FXB.
Yes, Andrew, yeah, I was about 50% about over. You're a bit broken up. Something about YouTube, and then something about standby. Back to you.
I think what I'll do, I'll come back to him on my handheld. I don't want to risk the SWR on the 991, so I've got my FT70 here. Yeah, apologies for that. Yeah, hopefully you'll receive me fine now. It's Andreas, M0FXB. How are you receiving me now? So that's my FT70.
Fantastic, Andrea. It's your audio. First of all, your audio volume is twice as loud now. This is lovely. I had to wind the wick up on the volume.
Isn't that interesting how it's so much better?
What you've done, but certainly audio game-wise, you're perfect. Blasting through, mate.
Good old FT70. Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, I'm sort of configuring my 991A. So right now I've switched to the FT70, and thanks for the good audio report. But yeah, you're coming through fine. So I'll stand by. I'm sort of doing a video for YouTube at the same time. That's what that was. M0FXB. I'm in Weston-super-Mare. Back to you, and I'll stand by. And can you see that my FT70 comes up there on the screen? Oh, he's gone then. Yeah, I lost you there, Steve. You vanished then altogether. M0FXB.
Oh, Roger, Andrea. M0FXB G1LZS. Yeah, just asking QTH. I wonder whereabouts you are in the UK.
Yeah, I'm in Weston-super-Mare. Weston-super-Mare.
Now, sorry, Andrea. You went to say where you were. You broke up. Some people know but that's all I got. Thank you.
Let's try again, and then what we'll do, we might do a parrot test. Yeah, hopefully you're getting this. It's Weston-super-Mare. Weston-super-Mare. And you can see the little hotspot flashing away there.
Yeah, Andrea. Yes, I've got that. Okay. Weston-super-Mare, Somerset. Yes. Yeah. Oh, dear. I've been there for a long time. And Minehead and all round there. Must be 10 years ago. I was around Minehead, I must admit. The steam railway, isn't it? That's what it's famous for, there. West Somerset, is it? The railway, I think it's called. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, you're a bit broken up, so I don't know where your near repeater is for Fusion. But certainly when you changed radios, your audio came up. It's fantastic. It was really, really, really good then. Right, back to you. M0 FXB G1LZS.
Right, well, we're going to do our some parrot test. Yeah, thanks for the good audio report. I'm using a jumbo hotspot, but I think I better stand by and set this up properly. But thanks for the audio test from M0 FXB.
Yeah, okay, yeah, understood you're using a hotspot. Yeah, I see now what you do. Okay then, all the best, and I'll stand by anyway. G1LZS. Cheers, 73s.
I know that if you're using a hotspot and you do get breakup, you can change, I think it's the expert settings, but I'm not going to do that now. So let's try and get onto Para. So let's just try the search direct system first. We'll go all, let that do its thing. It should load up a list of possible connections, and then you can scroll down and choose which one you want. So let's try, should we do Hubnet? We do know Hubnet, so we'll select that, and it should now switch our hotspot up here to Hubnet. Now, I did get a bad audio report, so I'm not sure what settings to do on the 991, but let's try it anyway. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo, M0 FXB, calling for an audio check. And then we'll just turn it off and see if someone comes back to us on Hubnet, which I use a lot. I've got a G7 RPG node for Hubnet. Notice that the jumbo hotspot gives us the IP address of how we can communicate with it. Now, coincidentally, I am on actually Hubnet on my analog all-star node. Yeah, so let's turn that up and see if I can hear myself on my FT70. Let's bring it back, and then we'll call in via C4FM, and it should come out in analog, yeah, on this radio. So let's give it a go. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo, calling for an audio check. Yeah, I would say that that audio sounded very low to me. We'll turn it up. Try again. But it was coming through the all-star system. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo. Yeah, very weak. I could be desensing myself, couldn't I? Because these frequencies are quite close together. So we could do a simplex one. Just that's the way of testing audio. Someone come in there on Hubnet. So what we'll do, we'll come out of the Wires-X system just for now. We'll go back like so, and then we'll go to a simplex channel that's not on my hotspot. So we'll go band, enter, we'll go 4, 3, 8 and all the zeros. We'll set my VFO on my FT70 to the same, so we'll go VFO mode, and then we'll go 4, 3, 8, all the noughts, zorts, mode DN. Make sure we're simplex. 4, 3, 8, all the zeros. We need to get that proper, that one there. Let's do that again. Enter, and we need to be simplex. As you can tell, we're just playing really. Not sure why that actually changed frequency. Isn't that weird? Did I push something? Let's get into VFO mode. Right, that's better. 4, 3, 8. And enter. 4, 3, 8. Enter. Right, that's better. Simplex mode. Looks like we are simplex. Can't see. So let's have a listen to my audio coming from the 991. I'll get the volume on about 15 here. M0FXB test. Yeah, see, to me that sounds fine. M0FXB. So it's when it was going via the hotspot, it was a bit rubbish, and that could have been the frequencies being very close together. M0FXB. And let's go back the other way with the FT70, turn it up. So this is just radio to radio. M0FXB. Yeah, and it sounds lovely coming from the 991. Very bassy speaker, I would say. So should we try an analog test? Let's just go FM. Then we'll go mode, FM. Try it again. M0FXB. Let's do it. M0FXB. Yeah, you can hear that. And if I get near the mic here, talking into the mic here, M0FXB. M0FXB. M0FX. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would say that really the mic gain, I think, on my 991 needs to go up. So is that on here, mic gain? Remember, I'm new to this radio. Forward. Look for mic gain. Then we'll end the video because we've got loads more messing around to do anyway. Mic gain. Probably it could be mic equalizer. Could be in the main settings. All right, mic gain, here we are. Now let's up that to about 70. I'm sure someone will say I'm over deviating. But anyway, let's see if that just sounds a bit more punchier. M0FXB, yeah, M0FXB. M0FXB. I would say that does sound better. M0FXB. Right, okay, so let's try Hubnet, shall we? So what we'll do, we'll put in our Hubnet frequency, analog. We'll get an audio report. So we'll go enter, we'll go like band, enter, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0. That's my Hubnet node. FM, 434550, Simplex channel, and we need a tone of 77. Go for tone, yeah, that's fine. Well, I prefer encode. And we need 77, yeah, so bit of luck. If I key now, it should just key up my Hubnet node. Hear that double beep? So I'm using a G7 RPG Hubnet node. So it's an all-star Raspberry Pi all-star software connected to another radio in this house in a box. So let's get an audio report. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo calling for an audio check. Now, we should get lots of people coming back because Hubnet's very friendly like that. So we're not using...
Andreas, you're working fine, G0CDX.
G0CDX, yeah, thanks for that. Now, I did a couple of tests. I'm on a 991A and the audio was low and the mic gain was on 50 and it was low, I checked it. So I've just put it to 70 and it seems to be booming through now, maybe too much. Back to you from Andreas, M0FXB. They are working great. That's someone typing DTMF, that is that sound you just saw.
You've got no problems there, Andreas. It's working fine. It's at a nice level. Good rounded audio there, I think. I can't hang around. I'm in the middle of lunch, but heard you call a few times and decided to give you a radio report as no one else was. Nice to hear you, Andreas. G0CDX.
I need to keep an eye on my SWR, don't I? Power's as low as it will go. Yeah, thanks, Paul. Thanks very much. And was I weak when I first called in? And then, yeah, take care. Catch you later, M0FXB.
No, I heard you call about 3 times, and each time you sounded good there, Andreas. So leave it where it is. Sounds nice. G0CDX.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. And I just want to rub a duck into my all-star node. So 7-3, take care. All the best. So the interesting thing is, I have got a rubber duck at the back here, is that if I hold it and key the mic. We'll come off frequency and just hold it and just quickly key. Look, the SWR drops a bit. It's funny, isn't it? So just quickly get you back onto HF. So we'll go band, because that was quite active, wasn't it? RF gain. See if we can go fast. Still got some there. That was very active earlier. Not so good now.
Without the QRM rule, which isn't your fault, it would be 5 so it's my local condition as well. Yeah, so I wanted to hook up with you again, and well, we'll have a chat, I'll hold a chat. When I'm sorting this problem out now, it's only year 4.
So your mic gain there, look. It's quite low, isn't it?
Thanks for calling in, Noel, and we'll speak longer another time. Okay,
Right, okay, well, yeah, we'll have fun with that. So 7.3, thanks for watching my channel, and catch you on air. All the best.